The first thing you're going to do is just grab your plate and your marker and fill it in all the way around. Then once you do that, just go ahead and grab your marker and write down the number on this. I prefer for you to do the 12 and then the 6, so you know how much space you're working on to do the rest of the numbers, so you will not get messed up. Then once you do the 12 and the 6, then you're just going to go ahead and continue and draw in all the number until you're done, just like that. Then once you're done, just go ahead and take the middle of the plate. Make sure to be that middle in the center, and then do your little circle, and then just draw your little line just like that. And make sure to draw the correct time, not like me, I did it to the other side instead of the other side, but just make sure you do it from the other side. Then once you do that, just go ahead and grab this piece of paper and measure it to your wall to see how big you want your wall to be. I'm just going to go ahead and put it there just to make sure how big I would like the paper. And then just go ahead and take your scissor and start cutting them out just like that. Then go ahead and grab your paper and your tape, and you're just going to go ahead and attach it to the wall to all the little sides part, and then just hold it in place good. Once you're done, go ahead and grab your sign, and you're going to attach it to the middle of the paper. For the sign, you could also buy it in Dollar Tree. Just say they have the letters. You could also buy it at Michael's, or you can also just draw it and cut it into wherever color you would like. There's so many ways you could do the signs. I'm just giving you a few ideas of how you can do it. And then once you do with the whole signs, you're going to go ahead and grab the place that we colored before, and we're just going to go ahead and place it around on here. Make sure to do the right time, like clock. I'm counting the clock until you hit to 12, and then you're just going to go ahead and place it around to look just like that. Super cute. Then once you're done with that, go ahead and grab your tablecloth, and you're just going to go ahead and open them up just like that, and go ahead and place it on your table and start cutting them out. You're going to go ahead and continue cutting it until you've done the whole table. You're going to be slicing into pieces just like that, one at a time. Then once you do that, just go ahead and place a few tape on the side, and you're going to hold your tablecloth with tape, and then just cut the top part, because I just want to leave only the bottom like hanging like that. And I have these curtains from before, and I just cut it into little pieces, and I'm just going to place it all the way on the table. I'm going to place a lot of pieces to make it stand out a little bit more, just like that. And I went ahead and I grabbed these are supposed to go inside the glass for decorations, but I'm going to use it for my little design here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place a few of them together and take one of these straw that I also got both of them from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hold it like that. Then I'm gonna take a piece of tape, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all the way around it to hold it in place just like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and trim it down so it doesn't look as bad, just like that. And there you have it, super cute. Then I went ahead and grabbed these lights, and I put some double-sided tape, and I placed it there to hold it underneath the table. For the light, I suggest for you to do like a clear color, but I use this one. This one's the only one that I had, and if you could buy two, so you could put it all the way around to the table, not just in the middle like I did. Then I went ahead and I'm just gonna go ahead and place a few decorations on top of the table. But in here, you could use you could do the little hat, the black and white. Like, I'm not decorating this table. I'm just gonna give you a few ideas of what you could do, and then you decide what to put next. I might show you how everything turns out on New Year, how I'm gonna set it up in my home if I have time, because you know New Year is time to spend it with the family and have some cocktails and enjoy your family. But I will try to make you guys a video of how everything turns out. So this is how beautiful everything turns out. You guys, this is very simple. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You could do it in your home, and just to make something pretty. Don't be that person that just decorate the house so simple and never do anything. This year's your year that I'm teaching you how to do cute things without spending a lot of money. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and let's not forget to support this page by hitting that little like button and following. Thank you.